Catch the rhythm of success with objectives and key results, or OKRs, a strategy that's revamping the manufacturing industry. Picture this: a company sets the objective to increase production efficiency. The key results: reduce machinery downtime by 20% and increase production speed by 15%. Now imagine another objective: improve product quality. Key results could be to reduce defect rates by 30% and increase customer satisfaction scores by 10%. And what about enhance employee safety? The key results could involve decreasing workplace accidents by 50% and increasing safety training completion by 100%. OKRs are not just goals, but a roadmap to success, a compass guiding each step. They turn vague aspirations into quantifiable achievements.